Oh my god, it sounds so bad. It sounds so bad. What happened? Oh my god. It's a flood warning. But it happened. It sounds so bad. Holy crap. Why does it sound so bad?
Take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas.
It sounds better over here.
Additional details at 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar shows between 3.5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. The public reported flooding in the warned area with water in homes in Crosby. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pasadena, Eastern Carolina, Northern League City, Baytown, Northern Friendswood, Lockport.
Actually, you know what? Why does it sound so bad?